What up, it's your boy Southern Smoke Boss. So, y'all, it's been a long, hard week at work this week, man, I'm telling you. I ain't never think the week was gonna end, was so busy. So, got a couple steaks today that I'm gonna go ahead and throw out. I'm gonna do the house. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna reverse sear these steaks. So, right here, I got 2 porterhouses, 2 New York strips, and I got a 2-inch ribeye, man. That thing is humongous. So I'm about to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I got my little electric Masterbuilt smoker out here. You see my temperature sitting at about 225. We'll go ahead and cook these nice low and slow for the start of it all. Excuse the smoke, you guys. I'm gonna put the big boy on the bottom. So what we got here, I got my cast iron pan. And put some extra virgin olive oil in there. Get ready. I can get it open. I'm gonna get ready to put this steak in there. We want it scorching, you know, so when it hit in there, it get that nice sizzle, so I can get that nice crust on the bottom. Let's see what we got. Look at that. Nice juicy hunk of piece of meat. So we'll go ahead and place it in the cast iron pan. Make sure it had that nice crust on there. So here I got just a plain stick of salt, butter, stick of butter. I got some thyme, parsley, and oregano. Got some garlic cloves. And some chopped onions. So I know some of y'all like y'all steak a little, you know, kind of pinkish, but I like mine with a little nice crunch. So I did mine a little more browner. So I'm about to go in the house and go cover it up with some foil for a few. Let it just rest. All right, so I know let it rest. So I'm about to go ahead and dig in. If you ain't subscribed already, make sure you go ahead and smash the subscribe button. I will be doing a mukbang on this steak. Be sure to check it out. Stay tuned. Peace out.